Ever come home to a chaotic scene like this? A chewed-up remote, shredded paper, or an endlessly meowing cat? It's easy to think our pets are just being naughty, but what if they're trying to tell us something important? This is where environmental enrichment comes in. Simply put, it's about making your pet's world more interesting and challenging. It means creating opportunities for them to use their natural instincts, whether it's foraging for food, exploring new textures, or solving a little puzzle. In 2026, with more pets living indoors or in urban environments, enriching their minds is more crucial than ever. It directly reduces stress, prevents boredom, and can stop destructive behaviors before they start. It strengthens your bond and boosts their overall happiness and well-being. So what can you do? Start small. Use puzzle feeders for mealtimes, create scent games with hidden treats, or simply rotate their toys to keep things novel. For cats, add vertical spaces or interactive play sessions. A few minutes of thoughtful enrichment each day can make a world of difference for your furry family member. Subscribe for more awesome facts.